everyone. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to convert sheets of a workbook into separate CSV files with Kutools for Excel. As we know, we only can convert the whole workbook into one CSV file in Excel with its save as function. But sometimes you want to convert the single sheet into a CSV file. In this case, the split workbook utility of Kutools for Excel can help you. Please do as follows. In the workbook, you want to convert its sheets as separate CSV file. Click the Kutools Plus tab. In the Workbooks and Sheets group, click the Workbook drop-down list and click the Split Workbook feature. In the Split Workbook dialog box, check the sheet name you want to split. All sheets are checked by default. And check to Save as type. Choose CSV from the drop-down list. And click the split to pop out a browse for folder dialog. Choose or create a folder to place the CSV files. Click the select folder. And now the workbook has been split as separate CSV file, as you can see. The first and second sheet is converted to separate CSV files. Thanks for watching and please subscribe for more videos.